The life of the Jamaican man is not all fun and games. There are times when the pleasure cruise capsizes.
What going Marlon?
There, you know. Why you look so depressed, you?
Boy, this worse than depression, me done.
Dog, what that?
Boy, me telling me, Jenna, boy, you know Jolene?
Freaky Julie, with the big body. Oh, dog, a long time I want to touch her fire, you know. Me hear you say she make everybody dream come true.
She give me a free piece like charity one day, and I tell her to me shame myself.
What? No, brother. Tell me what go on. This serious. Tell me what go on.
After me sweet her up and she finally decides, say, yo, she a go make a link. Don't know a pum pum sweet. About 5 stroke in night in my G. Me turn an eggshell, brother.
Dog.
Couldn't believe.
Say I lie, dog. No, dog. Say I lie. No, dog. I lie that. Just say I lie, no. I lie.
Brother, one big old stinking laugh, you know, brother. I say, yo, boy, I'm just there. Shell shock. Like a spent shell after soldier done train.
John, no, dog.
Hurt me, man.
Well, at least you and her know still.
Brother, before she left the house, she in the WhatsApp. I chat to her friend them and say, oh, when I reach our destination, I come like a whole bus. We broke down for Mount Rasa. I tell her, say, yo, the girl all ask me if me am Mary Poppins' grandson. Or early Poppins, my name in her phone now, you know.
No, dog, you can't make you mess up your reputation like that.
Brother,
dog, you say if I did me, you say for me, now go back over there like Tyson and give her the 1-2 punch. Make sure she remember my name, make sure she say my name. Alright? Daddy!
For real, you know. I have to redeem myself, you know. I don't know so if I even have to go drink up some roots and buy a 1 black stallion or something, but I forget a rematch. I have to protect my name in the streets, you know.
She a ask if me a action.